Welcome back to DrawColor. Today we are going to see how to draw and color car and some interesting facts about cars. A car is a type of vehicle with wheels that people use to travel from one place to another. Cars come in many shapes and sizes. Some are big and some are small, but they all have four wheels. The steering wheel is what the driver uses to turn the car left or right. It's like the car steering boss. When you ride in a car, it's important to wear your seatbelt. Seat belts keep you safe in case the car stops suddenly. Most cars run on a special liquid called gasoline or petrol. It's like food for the car's engine. Cars come in lots of different colors, like red, blue, and green. Some people even choose custom colors. Cars have license plates with numbers and letters. It helps people identify each car. Cars have many parts like the engine, wheels, headlights, and brakes. They all work together to make the car go. When driving, cars must follow speed limits, which tells them how fast they can go on different roads. Cars can make different sounds, like the honk-honk of the horn or the vroom of the engine. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to DrawColor for more videos like this.